Oi from inside of a church hotel. Yeah, just woken up and well, we're gonna check out the breakfast here. Now this is a luxury hotel, so I'm very interested in how the breakfast is because well, it's on the second floor where the chapel is. So yeah, I think it's gonna be nice. Let's check it out. Oh, Sulfinator in the building. Thank you. Alrighty. So you can take the elevator upstairs, or we can go up the stairs over there. Yeah, let's go up the stairs. Check it out. We're gonna have breakfast right up there. Oh, it's for walking downstairs only? Oh, we go up the elevator. No, that one goes over there. Alright, it has become a game. Find the stairs. You know, with the social distancing, you can only go up a certain way or come down. There's only one-way traffic, basically. Anyway, check it out. It's not every day you go in an elevator inside of a church. Yeah, we go on one. The first floor is actually like the second. Back in America, it would be the second. Here, the first floor is 0. All right.
Take us to the roof.
Yeah, no, look, it's like a laboratory almost. It just looks unrealistic. Ah, we passed it. Oh no, right here. Okay.
We passed it.
We passed it. No, stop. The food. The food. All right. So this is gonna be our breakfast. Have a look at the views.
Would you like to have a glass of orange juice?
Yes, please.
Yes. Is it the first time here?
First time here, yeah.
We serve everything at the table.
Okay.
And we have another card. You can choose whatever you want. Okay.
Awesome. All right, I'm looking forward to it.
You're welcome.
A buffet truck. We have a buffet truck coming in. I like it. I like it.
You can have your name or your...
Oh, the first serving is coming. Oh man. All right. So check it out. The breakfast is 30 euros, and these guys here are supplements. The bread is here.
Breads. Oh, I'll get the wrong one, please. The white? Yeah.
You guys have no idea how happy Sophie is right now.
Yeah, I like the crust. Yeah. Do you want to?
I'm gonna get. Yeah, I'll take a bun as well, please.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Welcome.
And I'll have a baguette. Little baguette, please. Yeah.
It's soft.
Okay, that's perfect. Or
You
hot
can
dog
always
sandwich.
ask for more.
Okay.
From everything, also from the meat and the cheese.
Also from here? Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Then we come back to report the cards. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. So all this is what's included in the 30 euros. And then the hot pancakes and things like that is separate.
Give me the bread. They made it.
How to have a happy Sophie? Give her bread. I'm gonna make a sandwich here while I wait to order. We can say my main course for breakfast. I'm gonna put all these meats in here.
Zelfs een wens voor jullie.
Yeah, I would like to have some Nutella and some jam, please. Okay.
Sorry, some jam?
Some Nutella, peanut butter and jam.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Sulfinator is ordering her Nutella. The French can't resist it. My sandwich is good. I literally put everything inside of it except the strong looking cheese. It looks like camembert. No, it's not. I think it's brie.
Yeah.
No. I can't help but to feel like I'm eating all the adult things. And my Sulfinator is now having a peanut butter sandwich.
It's not good for you. Something fine for you, something enough.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can you just have more of this imitation of the Nutella?
The chocolate
The
sauce.
Nutella and the peanut butter?
Just Nutella.
Just Nutella, of course.
Thank you.
Pancakes right over here.
No, with the fruit is from me.
Oh, with the fruit. Alright. Excusez-moi, Sulfinator. Oh my god, this looks phenomenal. This is my pancake with cheese.
Benedict is also
The
for you.
Yes, please.
There you go.
Whoa. Check out these pancakes. They look like they're from another world. I kind of want Souvenirs pancakes now.
It looks cute.
This one is not a first, but this style, yeah, it's a first. My pancakes with bacon, goat cheese, and topped with honey simply look out of this world. Let's dissect piece by piece, layer by layer, I should say. There's the bacon, you see the goat cheese. This is the pancake, and you see the honey has been smothered all around. Some little herbs and some black stuff on top. We're gonna find out what this stuff is. We're gonna go in for the full royal bite. All that.
That was a big bite.
That was so good.
Yeah, my bacon is delicious.
You have to bite the whole thing just like that, all in one. The amount of goat cheese here, the very big, generous portion. The bacon, you taste it just enough to give it that smoky flavor. You taste the honey sweetening your pancakes. The pancakes are cooked to perfection, really soft. Couldn't quite get the taste of this, so let's try a little bit by itself. Not quite sure what this is. I still don't know, I'm not sure. I hope it's not artificial turf. The pancake was simply amazing. 10 out of 10, 10 times. Now we're gonna try our poached egg over here. Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Can you see how delicious this looks? How cute and beautiful it's presented? Presentation is really important for French like me. It's just sexy. I just want to hit it. It's
The French like sexy food.
yeah, we like sexy food.
Looks like it's tough to break.
Yeah, tough to break, but here's a bite. Let's see. The pancake, sorry, the pancake is crispy, but the whipped cream make it soft and the fruit really fresh. Definitely, really fancy.
That it
Love
came straight from heaven?
I won't say that. I won't exaggerate to that, but really good. I won't say heaven. Still in
All
the
the
church.
lights of heaven are
Yeah.
shining up on
Almost
you.
in heaven, but the taste is definitely awesome. Really good. I like it.
On a scale of 1 through 10.
I'll give it a 9.
A
Really
9?
solid 9.
Alright,
Yeah.
a solid 9.
Yeah.
I gave mine a 10 because it's the uniqueness of it. I never had a pancake with goat cheese. It was just phenomenal. It was a hit right away, and the way that they make it, like, you know, it's almost like a burger. It's just pancake, the circle shaped cheese, and the bacon packed in there, drizzled with honey. It was simply amazing. I'm a bit sad now because that was so good, and now I'm gonna eat this. I'm not very excited about my poached egg. To be honest, I'm not even sure if I'm eating this properly. But it looks like a good way. Why not? Let's try it. There's not much to say. It's a poached egg. I mean, you have the egg yolk, the hollandaise sauce topped on top with the pieces from the turf field. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing out of this world over here. Kind of wish I got 2 pancakes.
I'm already full.
What did you think about the poached egg?
It was good, but I don't like the mayonnaise. So I really like the yolk and the bread, but I don't like mayonnaise taste.
The hollandaise sauce, yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, it's a hit or miss. Anyway,
Like
I'm doing
always.
what I do best. I'm finishing Sophie's food. I love my wife. So let's give this a go, guys. Check it out. Sliced almonds everywhere. Well, Sophie already described it to you. I'm gonna tell you guys the taste. It's good. It's really good. Creamy. I like the cream added. Just for me, I like my pancakes either with honey or maple syrup, and they don't put none here. So it does get a bit dryness. If I had to pick, I prefer salty, so I'll keep my goat cheese and bacon pancakes. But this is still good. I'll give it an 8. I'm just missing some maple syrup for me, and I think it'll go up to a 9 and match Sophie. Dun, da, da, da. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. How does this compete with a French croissant? The plate is hot. The plate is hot. Oh man.
It really looks great. It really looks like a real one. I like the presentation that they don't put the top like regular way, but like sideways.
It's a luxury hotel. They
That's
gotta
good.
make it
That's
look
good.
fancy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't think it's the another cheese they put here. It said it on the menu. This is the, what is it? Chevreau jet cheese. Yeah.
Oh, cheese,
We'll see if it's not. It's not goat cheese. Normally, what do you guys put in the croissant? Gruyere?
Emmental, yeah.
Emmental? Gruyere? Well, only one way to test this out, and that is by tasting it
You don't have so
on this plate. Check out the inside. Looks like they smothered even more butter on it. Oh yeah.
that easy.
They have taken away my silverware. You know what? No problem. Take away my silverware, I'll use my natural silverware. It's good. Can't complain at all. Just a good ham and cheese croissant. My champion is the
Got it.
Thank you. Yeah. My champion is the pancake with the goat cheese. That I should have ordered 3 of those and just eaten that for breakfast because that was just magnificent. Whoa. I thought I was gonna need a tow truck to tow me out of this breakfast. I'm simply stuffed. Anyway, that's it from the breakfast here inside of the church, the 5-star luxury breakfast. What do you think, Sophinator?
I think it was really good. I cannot eat anymore. But I'm really happy because everything I love, like French pastry, like bread and bacon, everything was good. Really good. But I don't know, yeah, I just want to lay down and do nothing right now.
Yeah, no, the food was definitely good. A different concept that they're doing here with the COVID. I mean, I don't know if it's like that all the time that they bring the little cart. Maybe it is. Nonetheless, I liked it. And what I really love is my pancake goat cheese burger. Oh my God, that is a memorable dish that is gonna stay in my memory for a long time because it's a flat out 10 in my book. If you're a goat cheese lover like me. Anyway, that's all. Sophinator just closed the door on me. Oh no, she's still there. All right, the vlog is over, guys. Catch you on the next one.